Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
All right, guys, Romer the Romer here. I'm here with Heidi again, my wonderful guest who is crushing it with online arbitrage. And in this video, we're going to do a short little overview of how to get capital for online arbitrage, or maybe you're just getting capital for another venture. Maybe you're going to do Gaylords or something like that. But she has over $100,000 in credit, and she started out with zero in credit. Everyone starts out with zero in credit. So she's made money successfully, which that's the end goal, is to make money to reinvest it. But with her, she's doing online arbitrage. Her average buy cost is like $50, if not more. So that's definitely capital intensive. So she's going to give you a couple tips on that.
So the top tip is, for whatever your situation is with credit, whether you have bad credit or low credit and you need to build it up, go to Credit Karma or a similar website and look at the recommendations that they have for your particular situation. So Credit Karma makes money off of affiliate links. When you sign up for a credit card, a few bucks come their way.
Okay.
But it's just a really solid website. And I think you can even do your taxes through them.
Nice.
Yeah, if you want to do it for free.
Is that how you do it?
I did it 1 year, but my taxes are so complicated at this point.
Yeah.
It's not worth it. So, well, you want to ask another question?
Well, I mean, yeah. So you go on Credit Karma, but then what are you looking for? Like,
so everyone's needs are different, but what I need is capital to invest into books that I then sell on Amazon.
most of these people need capital.
So I look for 0% APR offers, and you can usually find them for 12 months or for 18 months. I already have a lot of credit cards, so what I do when I need capital is I open one. And here's a secret that I only found out through talking through a rep on the phone. If you have another credit card with the same company, like Chase, you can transfer that credit to your new credit product. So if you open a credit card at 0% and they only give you $1,000 because you already have so much credit, you can transfer the $1,000 you have on the second card to that new card. So now you have $2,000 at 0%.
Regardless, so it can be like Chase to Bank of America.
No, it has to be the same bank.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. And the benefit of that is just to have everything on one card instead of having to manage.
Well, yeah,
two cards.
the old card probably has its deal expired.
Oh, okay.
So it's charging you interest every month.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, because these 0% offers, they're only intro offers when you first open the card.
So you got credit cards. Also, you got a couple bank loans, right?
Yeah, so another thing you can take advantage of is personal loans.
Okay.
Especially if you have some what's the word? Relationship with the bank already. Not that necessarily matters. But
why personal versus a business loan?
Not everybody has a business.
You don't have a business, right?
I have not incorporated my book business because there's no need to. I mean, Amazon doesn't require you to, or do they?
No, they don't.
Okay.
You're a sole proprietor.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a sole proprietor, so
yeah.
I don't need a formal business entity.
We parked like super far away because parking here is $3 an hour. She's like, oh, you don't want to do that. And if you guys watch our other videos, we talk about you're paying for all the softwares for online arbitrage. You're paying about $17, 15 euros.
Yeah, so I pay for Keepa because I find the sales rank over time plot to be valuable. And I feel like good that it's a resource that is available, and I kind of want to support them. Even if I could get by with just Camelizer.
Gotcha.
I like that Keepa exists.
Any tips for the personal bank loans?
For the personal loan?
Like any banks in particular that you know have good offers or that will do it?
I used Discover once, and I used Amex once. Discover was just easier. You know, just like with bank accounts, sometimes their online interfaces are better or worse. By the way, I've gotten thousands of dollars by opening bank accounts just by...
How many bank accounts do you have?
I only have 3 right now because I keep closing them. Unlike...
Does that affect your credit, closing a bank account?
No, it's because it's not a credit product. It's a bank account.
Okay. So you have... Oh, go ahead.
What was I saying?
The personal loans.
Yeah, so just like with banks, sometimes their online interface is better or worse. And like the features of what you can do with a bank account are better or worse. The personal loans are the same way. So I just happened to really like Discover. It was easy to see what I owed and all that. When you get a personal loan, you have to specify what the purpose is for. So at that point in time, I had a lot of... that was the word.
I don't know. Look
When you
at
have
me.
something on a credit card, what do you call
Debt.
it? Okay. At that point in time, I had a lot of debt on credit cards. So I wanted the personal loan to pay off the credit cards at a lower APR. So I selected like credit card repayment as the reason for the loan. And then I had to use 80% of the loan funds to directly pay off credit cards. So I didn't get a check in the mail.
Okay.
So that was something that I wish I'd known before I got the Amex loan in particular, because I didn't realize that.
And so then as time went on, you started making a lot of money through online arbitrage. That probably just helped having like actual, like real cash to spend. So you started out with credit cards, personal loans. You said you had a business loan too. Is there any benefit? Or no, you don't. Okay. So yeah, I mean, those two things got you, and you have over 100,000 in credit. So if you wanted to, which you probably are going to max out your cards again, right?
Yeah. So only a fraction of that 100,000 is 0% right now. So I'm not going to spend all 100,000. A lot of those credit cards, they charge an interest monthly, and I'm not interested in holding a balance that's being charged.
No pun intended. All right, guys, that's it. If you liked that video, like it. If you didn't like it, just leave. All right, just get out of here. Peace out, guys.
Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential, and money speaks, and I'm the man.